This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Andy Mohr Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars as well as pre-owned cars in Indianapolis. You can visit our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit Andy Mohr Chevrolet today at 2712 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohr-chevrolet.com.